Hello everyone, my name is Anya Shahira and I have a quick question. What song gives you the instant motivation? That one beat that makes you feel like you can lift a truck or run a marathon. For many athletes, music is the unofficial coach. It boosting mood, focus, and performance. And today, I will share you the insights from my study titled The Effects of Music in Sportive Activities Among United Athletes. From ancient Hindu rituals to stadium anthems, music always had power. In modern sports, athletes like Usain Bolt and Serena Williams rely on music to stay in the zone. But what about our own athlete at University Technology Mara? Do they experience the same magic? That's the question I explore. Some of you might ask, what's the problem? While global research celebrates music as performance enhancer, there is a gap right here in Malaysia. Coaches often skip it, and training plans rarely include it, especially at UiTM. So we are missing out on a free, powerful tool that could boost training outcomes. Prior research indicates that music can boost athletic output. However, gender-specific preferences and responses remain underexplored, especially in Malaysian university athletes. My study filled this gap by analyzing patterns specific to University Technology Mara. Alright, next research methodology. I use a quantitative design with validated scale called IMSAS or Impact of Music on Sportive Activity Scale. I surveyed 131 athletes across various sports at University Technology Mara. Then, I crunched the numbers by using descriptive stats to highlight the trends and general effects of music, and independent tests were used for gender comparison. Alright, let's talk about results. From the slide, you can see the dimension with highest effect was motivation, with mean 3.64. It helps athletes stay pumped and focused. Physical endurance comes next, with mean 3.63. Athletes reported better emotional control and stamina with music. Physical strength also positively affected, with mean 3.60, though slightly less than the other two. Additionally, we can see that female athletes score slightly higher in endurance and strength dimension, and male athletes score higher in motivation. But here is the kicker. Statistical analysis showed that gender differences were not significant. In short, music helps everyone regardless of gender. So, here is a big picture. Music is a legit tool. It helps athletes stay engaged, emotionally grounded, and physically motivated. And gender preference exists, but overall benefits are shared. It is time for local sports programs to start using this evidence and integrate as part of training plans. In conclusion, music isn't just for your AirPods. It is strategy enhancer of athletes' performance. Let's encourage coaches to experiment with warm-up playlists, and let's help athletes tune into tracks that sharpen their focus, increase their efforts, and lift their mood. And lastly, I believe more studies can extend this research across regions and sports. So before I go, I leave you with one question. What's the one song that will make your training session feel unstoppable? Thank you for your attention.